Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will discuss the remaining lectures of protein metabolism. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Students, the next topic is biosynthesis of amino acids. You know, there are 20 different amino acids which take part in the biosynthesis of different type of proteins inside the body. 10 out of 20 are non-essential amino acids and 10 are essential amino acids. Non-essential amino acids are synthesized in the body and essential amino acids cannot synthesize in the body. Regarding this, now we will discuss only the biosynthesis of non-essential amino acids, which are only 10 in numbers. The biosynthesis of essential amino acids is not essential because they are not synthesized inside our body. So we will discuss only those amino acids which are synthesized inside our body. So we will discuss the biosynthesis of each non-essential amino acid 10 by 10. Synthesis from alpha keto acids, alanine, aspartate, and glutamate are synthesized by transfer of an amino group to the alpha keto acids, pyruvate and oxaloacetate, and alpha ketoglutarate respectively. The reactions: pyruvate receive amino group and in the presence of aminotransferase converted into alanine, which is the amino acid, non-essential amino acid. In the same way, oxaloacetate receive amino group and in the presence of aminotransferase enzyme to form aspartate. In the same way, alpha ketoglutarate receive amino group in the presence of aminotransferase converted into glutamate. In this way, these alpha keto acids receive amino group and in the presence of aminotransferase enzyme converted into respective amino acids. And these amino acids are alanine, aspartate, and glutamate. The alpha keto acids are pyruvate, oxaloacetate, and alpha ketoglutarate, which receive amino group. In another reaction where synthesis of glutamine and asparagine is occur by amidation, is that the amino acids are formed by amidation. Glutamate receive amino group to form glutamine with the help of enzyme glutamine synthetase. ATP is converted into ADP adenosine diphosphate, which is a energy rich compound, and aspartate in the presence of asparagine synthetase converted into asparagine by receiving amine group. In this way, there are 5 non-essential amino acids have synthesized by different reactions by receiving of amine group in the presence of different biological catalysts. The next reaction, biosynthesis of proline occur. Proline formed by glutamate into glutamate semialdehyde, and by the cyclization and reduction of reaction, ultimately proline is formed. Now, 6 amino acids have produced by different chemical reactions inside the body, and these are all non-essential amino acids. In the other, in an other reaction, synthesis of serine, glycine, and cysteine occur. When phosphoglycerate, 3-phosphoglycerate is converted into 3-phosphopyruvate, and 3-phosphopyruvate when converted into 3-phosphoserine by the action of different enzymes. These 3 intermediates are formed, and when the hydrolysis of 3-phosphoserine occur, then it converted into serine. On the other hand, glycine, in the presence of serine hydroxymethyl transferase, by removing hydroxyl methyl group to form serine. This is the other reaction for the formation of serine. And serine, in the presence of hydroxymethyl transferase, by removing hydroxymethyl group to form glycine. And in this way, serine and glycine is formed. On the other hand, methionine is converted into homocysteine and plus serine to form cystothionine, and when the hydrolyzed reaction is occur, then cysteine is formed, and alpha ketobutyrate is also take a same chemical reaction for the formation of cysteine. Biosynthesis of tyrosine. Tyrosine is formed from phenylalanine by the phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme. The reaction requires molecular oxygen and coenzyme tetrahydrobioprotein. BH4 is required for this reaction. Phenylalanine, in the presence of phenylalanine hydroxylase, and BH4 as a coenzyme plus oxygen to form tyrosine. And in this way, the formation of 10 non-essential amino acids occur inside our human body. And these non-essential amino acids are not required in sufficient quantity from the nutrition or food which we take, because these non-essential amino acids are already biosynthesized inside our body by different biological reactions. Thank you very much.